I am a CEM student and took part in PolyU training. We formed different groups and joined in each workshop to enhance our knowledge. Day 1 is formwork session. We were formed a group and had to use plywood to make small size I-column formwork. Dimension curricula saw used cutting the plywood. Saw try and square panel saw were the tools we used during the training. First, we make a I-shaped base, then add the plywood on the base. Therefore, a I-shaped column was made. Day 2 is structural steelwork session. This session introduced some common hand tools or equipment in structural steelwork, such as cutting machine, grinder, steel wood, hammer, and drilling machine, and so on. In this session, we had an exercise that used bolted and drilling method to connect a steel table. It was our finished work. In this session, we noted that how to weld the steels in reality, and some classmates could have a chance to experience how to do welding. When doing the welding, we must wear the safety coverings and safety glasses to protect our bodies and eyes. Day 3 NDT and anchoring. First, NDT is non-destructive testing, which means that testing does not disrupt the test object. In training, we had to do 4 tests. First of all, with spawn hammer test, it can find out the quality and strength of concrete. Second, infrared thermographic test. We could clearly locate external wall delamination and debonding on the screen. Another test is half-cell potential test. When we do the concrete test phase, pre-watering should be on the concrete. Last, covermeter test. It can check the arrangement of steel inside the wall. There are 3 types of anchors, which are torque control expansion anchor, deformation control expansion anchor, and instructions granting system that used to connect structures. When installing these types of anchors, we must drill a hole and clean it. Also, it cannot drill the hole very closely, as it will disrupt concrete and cause crack. Day 4 and Day 5 Structural concrete. First, we mix the cement, sand, and aggregate. Different groups had different cement-sand ratio. Then fill it in the cube. Second, we made the reinforcement steel. We had cut the steel bar and changed its shape. Moreover, we mixed the cement, sand, aggregate, and water, put it in this machine to create the concrete. Then we will do the slump test to check the workability of concrete and fill in the formwork we have made in day 1. Vibration damped, some case is no vibration damped. Second stage of structural concrete, we move the forward. No vibration case concrete has honeycomb, but having vibration case concrete, the surface is very smooth. Also, the concrete crud was put in during compass tests to determine the strength of concrete. The last part of structural concrete, reinforcement practice. We had to strike up column and beam. It is our finished work. Day 6. Brickwork and plastering. First, teacher introduced the different types of brick. For example, it is lightweight brick and it can be cut easily. First showed that the demonstration of brick and concrete block laying. Use this to make a straight line to make sure brick laying in straight line. Also, we had to cut the block to fit the position. What is more, teachers showed that the demonstration of plastering. Also, we have a chance to try it. Moreover, the demonstration of ceramic tiling. Preparing the cement paste, adhesive is applied to the bed of the tiles, making the support for the tiles. Also, a straight cut was made by the slab cutter. Moreover, the support was removed and the lowest layer was completed, and the gaps were filled with red cement paste, and the surface of tiles was cleaned. It is showing how to paving block and how to cut the block. Day 7. Scaffolding. In this practice, a 2-story scaffold was required to erect. Firstly, the base plate was put on the corners. Then, the crosses was put, and its function is transmit the node to the base plate. The letters, transoms, and braces were connected. Furthermore, the laters and working pans were connected. Also, the guide rails and 2 bolts had connected due to preventing the workers and equipment falling from the platform. Each connect had to thread that it can ensure all of them were fixing well.